Okay, so Blue Eyes wanted me to make a video out telling her why she should come back. Okay, well, I'm in the middle of 700 block, literally in the middle of 700 block, and I'm gonna go around and you're gonna see why you should come back. Okay. All right, let's go talk to T first. All right, tell your mom she should come back home.
Come back home.
Okay. All right. Well, here, War Child, tell Blue Eyes to come back home.
Hey, yo, back. Get home.
Tell Blue Eyes
Get your ass home, mama.
Dollar Burger say hi.
Because if you don't, y'all are gonna bury me next.
We miss you.
That's you.
Andrew,
Hold on.
Andrew and Miss September 14th.
Better be here for when my daughter comes.
Hold on, I gotta go to Nightmare real quick. Hold on. All right, Nightmare. Tell Blue Eyes she should come back home.
Mama, please come back home. We need you. Whoop, whoop.
All right. Well, there you have it. I love you to death. I will see you hopefully soon. I love you.
Bye,